Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine two PDF files into one. So let's get started. Now you can combine complete PDF files in one or specific pages from one PDF to another. And this is how you can do it on your MacBook. So let's get started. So I have two PDF here. First thing is I'm going to go ahead and open both of them up in the preview app, which is an app available on your MacBook. So I right click here on my touchpad. And then as you can see here, open with, and it will allow you to open with preview. It should be a default one if not. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this aside on one window. And if it doesn't open like this, it might open up just a page. You should see there's an icon here next to the name where you can show thumbnail. So you want to click on so that it has a menu here to show how many pages are in that PDF file. And I'm going to take my second PDF here, same exact thing, right click, and then open with preview, right? And then same exact thing. I want to make sure if this is hidden, I want to go ahead and show the thumbnail. And then I'll move this one over to the other side. So I have opened up two different windows, one for PDF1, one for PDF2. And if I want to combine these, right, like I said, you can combine a specific page from one PDF to another or the whole PDF. In that case, we're going to first do it with the page. So you can go ahead and take this one. We're going to click and press and hold. So what I'm doing is, on my touchpad, I'm pressing and holding my touchpad here basically to drag this over here. So I want to add that to the other one. Now I just added that page, and if you have multiple pages, you can do the same thing. Or if you're going to copy all of them, you can put it there. And then this will also allow you to rearrange them as well in the specific way that you want. So you can go ahead and rearrange them. And once you're ready to combine, you simply want to go to File, right? Just make sure it's saved. And then I'm going to close these out. Now, if I close them out, I basically merged these two into one. I have a new one here, or exactly the one that I saved in, and I can go ahead and open it up. And I see now that I have combined these PDF into one, just like that. So that's how you can merge PDF on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your MacBook as well. We'll see you guys the next time.